Introducing the 2-in-1 detachable cordless vacuum from Homelux Lifestyle KE. It has a powerful suction, making it perfect for corners, sofas, and car interiors. Key features are 2-in-1 design, easy transforms between handheld and stick vacuum for car and home use, cordless convenience, no cables, no hassle, powerful suction, maximum suction, LED probe light, 800 ml dust capacity, 4-hour charging time, multi-surface cleaning ideal for carpets, hard floors, car interiors, corners, and sofas, lightweight and detachable, easy to handle, and finally, washable filter and low noise pollution. Interested? Contact Homelux Lifestyle today to order yours.